Hello everyone, my name is Salim and welcome to the Markets Breakdown Analysis for Monday, the 9th of October 2023. We'll be breaking down chart through the exact zones where price will close for potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at the previous weekly candle, the weekly closed small bearish, rejecting this weekly support, respecting the weekly support formed on the 26th of February 2023. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is, to me personally, this is a consolidation zone within the daily time frame, because this is a small weekly candle. When it dropped down to the daily, for example, you can clearly see, apart from the move we've had on Monday last week, overall Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday has been printing pretty much side by side. Even when it dropped down to the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see this is a consolidation area. So now looking obviously the weekly is retracing. The monthly candle, the monthly is also retracing from this monthly support formed back in March 2023. And now we're looking at the daily candle for Friday closed decent bullish, forming a daily support around 1821-200 and closing just above these daily wicks that has been formed throughout the week last week. And now to break down the chart, and what we can see here, obviously, since the daily candle formed a daily support, looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have the most recent 4-hour support formed around, let's say, 1828.700, excuse me. And then we have this recent 4-hour resistance formed around 1833.200. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, we have the same level of support and resistance, and this seems to be like a range on the lower time frame. So what we're going to do here is we're going to adjust the level of resistance to 1833.600. Looking at the 50-minute time frame as well, we have the same level of support and resistance. And now to identify the no trade zone, and what we can see here, obviously, I would say potentially we could look for buys as price break and close above 1835, like let's say 1835.100 above this hourly rejection or hourly retracement. And looking for potential sells could be below 1828.700, and this could be the no trade zone. And now to look for potential buys. So going back to the daily. So since the daily closed bullish, now the anticipation is to see a correction of this move that we've had on a daily from the 2nd of October 2023, which was the Monday daily candle that was formed last week. So the first thing we can see, what we're going to do here is we're going to put a line to where this daily candle started, around 1848.400, dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. Now we have this 4-hour time frame, 4-hour candles, but when we're looking on the hourly time frame, this is a range on the hourly. So the first thing we can see here is we have this hourly resistance, which is a really small range. Looking at the family time frame, again, this is a small range. What I would say potentially the first target for buys could be 1839.400, targeting this previous 1-hour support. And our second target for buys, just to keep it nice and tight, I'd have it as this 1-hour resistance that was formed around 1844.500. And now to look for potential sells and going back to the daily, the first thing we can see on the daily is a daily support. So we're going to put a line to where this daily support has been formed, which is 1821.300. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour, we can clearly see this is a consolidation zone. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to put this line to where this previous 4-hour resistance formed around 1824.100. Looking at the hourly time frame, we have a same level of resistance. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, now we have a 30-minute support formed around 1823.500, which is a recent 30-minute support, and that's the same thing on the 50-minute time frame. I'd say the first target for sells could potentially be 1823.500. Targeting this 30-minute support, and the second target for sells, now we have this daily support, but then we're looking on the 4-hour time frame. This is a range on the 4-hour, looking at the hourly. Now here's the thing, so below this level, apart from this 30-minute support, the next level of support we have this hourly support. Now we could have, let's say, I would say I'd have the second target at 1818.700, targeting this previous 1-hour support, just in case if price will respect the daily support and reject the downside. But if price formed, like let's say the daily candle formed a deeper pullback, maybe the second target or a third target, for example, we could have this hourly support formed around 1814.600.
Dominion Markets, your trading sanctuary.